Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January 24, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody has a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the storm systems here moving across the country. As you can see, we have one storm system here is exiting stage east, continue to push on out into the northern tropical Atlantic. Got another system up here across Minnesota through portion of Wisconsin down into Illinois that will continue to push eastbound. Got a little bit up here around the Great Lakes, Southeast Canada region. Also again over towards the Dakotas, also into Nebraska, back to Montana, a little bit in Nevada and California region, a little bit around the Baja area of California also. More scattered activity out in the eastern and central Pacific, and also got some activity across South America as well. Otherwise, pretty quiet at this time. You can see the subtropical jet kind of then slowly backing off a little bit. You can see it move across Mexico, through the Gulf, all the way into off the southeast coast, and then off into the north central tropical Atlantic. The northern tropical jet still well north of the Canadian U.S. border region. So pretty tranquil weather is expected for a while, and the warm up that's over Texas will continue to push eastbound and push all these cold temperatures out of the southeastern United States. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alrighty, as you can see here is your weekend forecast. We're going to start off with Saturday. You can see we got snow in New York State, down to Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, portion of Illinois, through Michigan, around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, over toward Wisconsin, also Minnesota region, a little bit in eastern North Dakota. More snow over here in portion of Kansas, to Colorado, to Utah, to Wyoming, to Nevada, and also California region. Also got some mixed precipitation southwestern California, rain showers there as well. Even got rain showers through Texas all the way to Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, and Oklahoma region. Thunderstorms and showers across Texas and the Gulf of Mexico, and then also shower activity in the east side of Florida down toward the Florida Keys. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for you Saturday. Alright, here's your Sunday forecast. You can see we got snow for portion of northern Maine, to Vermont, New York State, to Pennsylvania, through West Virginia, even portions of Virginia, mountains there as well. Also up in the portions of the Great Lakes region, across northern Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, northern Minnesota region, snow over Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, Nevada, and also in the portions of California with mixed precipitation there as well, plus showers along coastal areas stretching down into the northern Baja area of California and a little bit of southwestern and central Arizona. More shower activity from Texas up into Arkansas, Mississippi, to the Carolinas. Even got a little bit of mixed precipitation possible across northern South Carolina, south around the Charlotte area, maybe down toward Lancaster County in South Carolina, over towards western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee. Even got thunderstorms and showers from portions of Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas region as well, a little bit in the Gulf of Mexico also. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area. Alright, let's move on to the current watches, warning, advisory map for your location across the nation. Should be coming up here. Here we go right here. We got freeze warnings in effect for South Georgia, portion of the Florida Panhandle, Big Bend area of Florida, northern central Florida. Got cold weather advisories issued for central and south Florida. Special weather statements for southeast Georgia, the coastal Carolinas, PD region, southeast North Carolina. Cold weather advisories up here in West Virginia. Even got some winter weather advisories, winter storm watches in effect, up in portions of New York State. Hydro issues over portions of Indiana, Illinois, and Ohio region. We got some special weather statements also for portions of North Dakota. Winter weather advisories up here in portion of Montana, down in the portion of Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, also Nevada and California region. Winter storm watches there also. Have wind advisories, wind advisories, also some red flag warnings and winter storm warnings southwestern California, red flag warnings over Arizona, more cold weather advisories over portions of Oregon, and also Northern California. Wind advisories to the north. And then we got some, let's see, what is that? Got some air stagnation advisories up here in portion of Idaho, Washington, Oregon State. And also we have some, let's see, I think is extreme cold weather watches for a couple counties in Idaho as well. Small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to New York State, and then from portion of the east coast of Florida to the Florida Keys, southwestern areas of Florida, and then again from up here from California up to Oregon State, and then with some gale warnings, storm warnings out there as well. Also around the Hawaiian Chain Island, high surf warnings around the island, small craft advisory, gale warnings, freezing spray warnings around the Alaska region, inland areas. We expect winter weather advisories in the purple, winter storm warnings in the pink. Also we have some high wind warnings there in the yellow, and also some high and freezing spray warnings right along coastal areas of the Alaska area. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Here is your day 2 outlook, which is Saturday. We got general thunderstorm from Shreveport to Lupkins to Houston to San Antonio, Austin, and Waco area of Texas. No severe weather expected at this time, just general thunderstorm. Let's move on to day number 3. Okay, you can see we still got from Corpus Christi to Houston to Lupkin to Alexandria to Jackson, Mississippi, southeast of Shreveport, Louisiana. Got some just general thunderstorms expected in that region for day 3, which is your Sunday. Alright, let's move on to the GFS computer model. This is the snowfall totals over the next 16 days. As you can see here, we got heavy snow over Maine, stretching a portion of northern New York State, down in the portion of Pennsylvania, a little bit in West Virginia and Virginia region, lighter amounts stretching down into North Carolina, even North Georgia, a little bit of snow there maybe, across portion of Arkansas there, and then more heavy snow from northern Texas through New Mexico, Arizona, also out in the Colorado region, also into portions of Wyoming, Idaho, Nevada, also over into Washington, Oregon State, California region. Then again from the portion of the Dakotas all the way over toward the Great Lakes region, portion of Wisconsin, Michigan, northern Michigan, southeast Canada. Got some heavy snow also, got 2 to 5 inches maybe of much of Canada as well. Maybe a little bit of snow even portions of northern Mexico also could accumulate there as well. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.